Good morning, everybody. This is another customer of mine. He had wanted the carpets cleaned. His carpets were quite dirty. They were in dire need of a cleaning, especially right here in front of the chair. All the spots came out, as you can see, so I'm sure the customer will be quite happy. Yeah, and did the hallway as well here too. So there was lots of spots in everywhere, and everything came out nice, so it looks well. Yeah, if you're wanting a good deal before Christmas here to get the carpets clean, give us a call. Fibertech Carpet Care, 778-433-9348.